I had another periodontist before and I wasn't very happy, and therefore I asked my regular dentist for 25 years to recommend me another periodontist to take care of this particular emergency that I had last year. And that was when I started coming here, and being greeted by the staff in a courteous manner means that they care. They have read the brief notes, or they know who you are and they know what you came in for. And the doctors immediately came over and they took care of you and they answer all the questions I have, as well as explain exactly what they are going to do, what they will recommend, and they communicate all these things with my regular dentist. So we can basically form a complete cohesive plan for my dental care.